Hi guys, so I got the 5 toe rings that I ordered from Amazon. I'm so pissed off from last night, but this kind of made my day today because they're so cute. This one, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it for my feet because it looks so nice. Still big though. Looks so nice on the fingers, and I feel like I'm gonna break it if I put it in my big toe ring. I don't know, maybe we'll see, but I really love this fox. It's so cute, so cute. This is the mermaid one. I can't adjust it. Now this is gonna end up as a freaking ring as well. That's annoying. It's too big. It's too big. I have really slim toes, and it's too small for this. Okay. There you go. Okay. Not gonna advise you guys to freaking buy these because it's very brittle. It's not like other toe rings that I bought. I'm so annoyed. I'm not that lucky with toe rings today. Yeah, I kind of broke it. I'm gonna have to contact the seller. These are cute. No, I'm scared I'm gonna break it too. No. I don't know. It's too small. I don't want to break it. This is cute. Yeah, I don't want to stretch it too much, but this is so cute. This one. Oh, alright. I guess I'm not that lucky with my toe rings right now, but let's see. I also got an anklet. I don't know what's up with me and owls lately, but this is so cute. Oh my god, look at that tiny little owl. It's so cute. Well, this is supposed to be a bracelet, but how the frick do you open this thing? I'm, of course, going to use this as an anklet. Yes. So cute. Anyway, that's my unpacking video for today. I don't know if you guys will enjoy it, but whatever. I hope you do. And I'm going to link I'm gonna put all the Amazon links in my stories. You'll find them in my highlights too. That's cute.